Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Cryptocurrency transactions are at the core of the decentralized digital currency ecosystem. Unlike traditional banking systems, cryptocurrency transactions are peer-to-peer, secured by cryptography, and recorded on a public ledger known as a blockchain. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process of how a cryptocurrency transaction works, using Bitcoin as an example. However, the fundamental principles apply to most cryptocurrencies. Step 1. Wallet creation. The first step in conducting a cryptocurrency transaction is to create a digital wallet. A wallet is a software application or hardware device that stores your public and private keys. Public keys are used to receive funds, while private keys are used to sign transactions and access your funds securely. Popular types of wallets include online, web, wallets, mobile wallets, desktop wallets, and hardware wallets. Step 2. Obtaining the recipient's address. Before sending any cryptocurrency, you need the recipient's wallet address. The recipient must share their public address with you. This address is usually a long string of alphanumeric characters unique to their wallet and serves as their identifier on the blockchain. Step 3. Initiating the transaction. Once you have the recipient's wallet address, you can begin the transaction process. In your wallet interface, select the option to send or transfer cryptocurrency. You will be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address and the amount you wish to send. Step 4. Transaction verification. Before the transaction is broadcasted to the network, it needs to be verified. The verification process involves ensuring that you have sufficient funds in your wallet to cover the transaction amount and that the transaction format is correct. The transaction is then signed using your private key to authenticate its origin. Step 5. Transaction propagation. After verification, your transaction is ready to be sent to the network. The transaction is broadcasted to a network of nodes, computers, that support the particular cryptocurrency's blockchain. These nodes are responsible for confirming and validating transactions. Step 6. Transaction confirmation. Once the transaction is broadcasted, it enters the cryptocurrency network's mempool, a temporary storage area where pending transactions wait for confirmation. Miners, specialized nodes, compete to include transactions in the next block. Step 7. Block mining. Miners play a crucial role in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. They collect pending transactions from the mempool and try to solve a complex mathematical puzzle, proof of work in Bitcoin's case, to create a new block of transactions. The first miner to solve the puzzle gets the right to add the new block to the blockchain. Step 8. Inclusion in the blockchain. When a miner successfully mines a block, they propagate it throughout the network, ensuring consensus on the validity of the new block. All the nodes on the network validate the transactions within the block, ensuring they comply with the rules of the protocol. If everything checks out, the block is added to the blockchain. Step 9. Transaction confirmation, continued. Once the block containing your transaction is added to the blockchain, your transaction is considered confirmed. In most cases, a single confirmation is sufficient for small transactions, but larger transactions may require multiple confirmations to ensure their validity. Conclusion: cryptocurrency transactions involve a series of steps, from creating a wallet to confirming the transaction on the blockchain. The decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies, along with blockchain technology and cryptographic principles, ensures the security and immutability of transactions. Understanding the process empowers users to navigate the world of cryptocurrencies confidently. Remember to exercise caution and verify wallet addresses before sending any funds to avoid potential scams or mistakes. For more information on Bitcoin and all things cryptocurrency, please click the link in the description. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, like and subscribe. Happy investing! Thanks for watching.